Hi everyone, I'm Carrie with PMC Supplies, and today I have a magnifying lamp for you. You'll get this box, and inside the box is the lamp. The first thing you'll notice is that this lamp has a little bit more weight than you might expect. The base is solid, so you won't knock it over when you're swinging the gooseneck. It's very flexible. You can do whatever you need with this. If you need to work very low, you can do that. On top, you'll see this flip cover. If you push it far enough back, it will lock into place, so when you're swinging the gooseneck around, it won't close on you. And then inside here, you'll see your two different magnifications. 5 times magnification on the outside and 10 in the smaller circle here. And it is just a regular 2-pronged plug. Of course, it's a lamp, so you're going to want to turn it on. You'll see an 11-watt bulb. We do sell the bulbs separately if it should burn out or if you should get a little too wild with your gooseneck, so you can order a new replacement bulb on PMCSupplies.com. But the bulb does come with the lamp to begin with. So let's test this out. Here I have a tiny diamond. I want to look at it. Oh, yep. Sparkly. So I'm going to try to look at several at once. I want to see this one a little closer, so I'm going to bring it over to the 10 times magnifier. Oh yes! Perfect. Now look at this too. Take a little peek here. It's pretty fun to go from 5 to 10 really fast. So when you're all set, you will want to close the flap, turn it off, and if you'd like to purchase one, we will have them available for you on PMCSupplies.com, as well as a link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and check out more videos as they come. Hey, subscribe over here. Check out these videos over here.